Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can unsync your Instagram and your Facebook accounts. So go over to your Instagram profile and tap on the three lines on the upper right. Go to settings. And then here, just scroll down and tap on account center. Now tap on accounts under account settings. It's at the bottom. So as you can see, my Instagram account is connected to Facebook. So if this is the same with yours and you want to change that, then just tap remove. And here, as it says, your profile will lose access to these and all other connected experiences. So just read on the following. And when you're done, then just tap continue. So here, tap remove. And there you go. Instagram and Facebook are no longer synced. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.